Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I thought I'd give you guys a really quick update on what happened or what is happening right now with Luna. I actually just ended up taking, or yesterday I actually took my initial out. I took out about $2,400. My initial investment was around 1,200, so I actually ended up taking out a full 100% gain, and I left about 25 million coins in there to see what happens because there's actually supposed to be really big news today on Luna. I don't know what time. I think it's gonna be a little bit. I think it's supposed to be a little bit later today. I think somewhere around like 9 a.m. GMT, EST. I don't remember what time. But there's supposed to be news today on Luna about the blockchain. I think Do Kwon or something on their Twitter. I don't have access. I don't know where that's at right now. But like I said, I did sell my initial, so I took out my initial investment. I think initially I put about $200-300 into it. That ran up like crazy, and then I think at $100 at 100.000 something 100, and then I ended up putting another like a full grand into this, right? And I actually just ended up, not just ended up, but I ended up selling my initial. I ended up selling most of it, or my initial plus the 100%, somewhere around this 367, around this level right here, 367 range, 370 range. And you guys can actually see that it's actually starting to drop a little bit more. We actually closed that hour bearish, and I am expecting it to drop a little bit more. I think for the most part right now, I am gonna be out for my initial investment. I want to see a recovery, or the 2 hour, 2 hour or 1 hour probably come down a little bit more. But as you guys can see, we did just close a bear trigger on the 1 hour. So I want for it to wait. I want for it to drop a little bit more for me to actually go back in. But for the most part, I am holding a bunch of Luna. I have 25 million coins. So either way, I don't really care too much about whether Luna crashes or goes back up again. Because I'm just I already took my initial plus a full 100% out. So I mean, as of right now, Luna, I mean, I hope it keeps running. I do not know what's gonna happen. Like I said, since like a couple days since me and my all of our Patreon members bought, it was really more about just throwing some cash in, seeing what's going on, and then thankfully I took some money out yesterday because I'm like, you know what, this looks kind of funky. Well, not really funky. I still think that has a lot of room to run to the upside, to be honest. But there's been plenty of times where I've been hurt where I don't take my initial investment out, and then it just goes all the way back down. So this time I'm like, you know what? I bought a good amount. It ran up a good amount. I think it's time to at least take my initial investment out. So that's what I did. So as of right now, just holding 25 million Luna, seeing where the rest of it goes. Took my initial out plus 100%. If this ends up working out, then fantastic. If it doesn't, then it was just, fun. It was just fun. It was a really fun roller coaster. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.